Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use mortal damage in Warhammer Age of Sigmar 4.0. And if you have any rule that allows you to deal mortal damage to your enemy units or your own unit, then you inflict that damage automatically and automatically transfer it to damage pool. For example, if there's an attack incoming, then it does this, for example, 2 mortal wounds, then you automatically transfer them to the damage pool, and after the attack is resolved, for example, you dealt 3 damage normal and 2 mortal damage, you count those together and it makes 5 damage. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.